Assalamualaikum dear student. Today I am going to continue from the area. Okay. In our last lectures I had complete the perimeters. What is perimeters? What is the perimeters for the rectangles? What is the formula of perimeter for the rectangles and what is the formula of the perimeter for the square? Okay. I had complete that sections. Now I am going to start the area of that is area. So first of all we understand the exactly difference between perimeters and the area. Perimeters only show the external informations of that figure. Okay. Now the area is shows internal structure, internal informations of that figure. Okay. That is, suppose we fill one bottle of waters. Okay. You fill the bottle, suppose you fill the glass of water. So I I give you the questions to identify the perimeters of that glass of water. Then you find out the length and the breadth, length and breadth only, the external calculations of that glass. Okay. Now then I told you to find out the area of that figure. What happened, guys? You know the exactly what amount of water is required to fill that glass. So this is called as the area. Means area is find out how many waters is required to fill that glass. Okay. So first of all, what is the area of rectangle? Area of rectangle, the formula is length multiplied by breadth. Okay. Now recall that the area of the perimeter of the rectangular, 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by breadth, and the area of the rectangles is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Okay. Now see, here is the area of a square. The formula for the perimeters of the square, 4 multiplied by 1, 4 multiplied by side of the 1. Okay. Now here is the length of the square, length of a side multiplied by length of a side. Now solve the exercise. Okay. That is, this is your exercise problem set 45. So solve this problem set. Okay. Now see, that is questions number 1. So the questions number 1 is, the length of a side of each square is given below, find its area. Now here is given us length of one side, find out the area. So do you know the area of a square? Area of a square, the formula is length of a side multiplied by length of a side. So the length is given, the length is 12 meter. So the 12 meter is the one side multiplied by another length, that is 12 meter. So 12 meter is multiplied by 12 meter. So the answer is 144 meter, 144 square meter. The unit for the area is equal to square meter. Okay. Now see the questions, another questions, that is the another sub questions. Here given are 6 meter one side of length of a one side. So find out the area of the figure square. So area of a square, length multiplied length of a side multiplied by length of a side. So 6 centimeter multiplied by 6 centimeter. So 6 multiplied by 6, 36 square centimeter. Square centimeter is the area of unit of area of that figure. Okay. Now see the third one, that is 25 meters. So do you know the formulas? Length of a side multiplied by length of a side. So 25 meter multiplied by 25 meter multiplied by, so 25 multiplied by 25, so 625 square meters. Okay. Now see the question, that is sub questions 4th, that is 18 centimeter. The area of a square is equal to length of a side multiplied by length of a side. So 18 centimeter multiplied by 18 centimeter. So 18 multiplied by 18, so 324 square centimeters. Okay. Now see the questions number 2. If a cost of 1 square meter of a plot of land is 900 rupees, find the total cost of a plot of land that is 25 meter long and the 20 meter breadth. Okay. Length 25 meter and the breadth is 20 meter. Do you know the formulas of this? Is the length and breadth, the both values are given. So thinks which formula is written? This is a square? Not. This is a rectangle. So what is the formula for rectangle? Length multiplied by breadth. Okay, the area of a plot of land equals to length multiplied by breadth. Here is the length is 25 meter and the breadth is 20 meter. So 25 meter multiplied by 20. So the answer is 500 square meter. Okay. Now the cost of 1 square meter. The cost of 1 square meter is given, that is 900 meter. So he want the total cost. So the total value of the total area of that figure is 500. So 500 multiplied by 900. So the answer is 4,50,000. Okay. Now the cost of the plot of land is 45000. Okay. Now see the another questions, that is the questions number 3. The side of a square is 4 cm and the length of the rectangle is 8 cm. Its weight is 2 cm. Find the perimeters and the area of both the figure. Here given both figures, that is one is a square which is the side of a square is 4 cm and the length of the rectangles is 8 cm and its weight is 2 cm. Find the perimeters and the perimeter of a square. Do you know the formula for the perimeter of a square? Perimeter 4 multiplied by length of one side. 4 multiplied by length of one side is length is given as a 4. 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 16 cm. And the area of a square? Area of a square, do you know the formula? Length of side multiplied by length of a side. So length of a side is given as a 4 cm. So 4 cm is multiplied by 4. So the answer is 16 square meter. This is our 16 cm is the perimeters and 16 square meter is the area. Okay. Now take the another, that is rectangle. The perimeters of the rectangle 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by breadth. Do you know the length is 8 cm and the breadth is 2 cm. So 2 multiplied by 8 is 16 cm and 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. At that value is 20 cm. The perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 20 cm and the area of the rectangles, do you know, length multiplied by length. Length is equal to 8 cm. So 8 multiplied by breadth is equal to 2 cm. 8 multiplied by 2, the 16 cm. So the perimeter of a square is 16 cm and its area is 16 square meter. The perimeter of a rectangle is 20 cm and its area is 16 cm. I hope you understand that questions. Now the questions number 4. What will be the labor cost of a laying the floor of an assembly hall that is 16 meters long and the 12 meter wide? If the cost of a laying 1 square meters is 80 rupees, the area of the assembly hall is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Length is equal to 16 meter and the breadth is equal to 12 meter. So the answer is 190 square meter. Okay. The cost of 1 square meter is equal to 80 meter. So the how many? The total. So 192 multiplied by 80. The answer is 15306. 15,360. Okay. The cost of the laying is 15360. Okay. Now see the questions number 5. The pictures alongside shows some squares. Find out how many squares with the same measures will fit in the empty space in the figure. How many boxes are given in that empty figures? So first of all, count that this box 1, 2 and the 3, and count that box 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the total box are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The total box are 6. So here is the 1, 2, 3 and here is count, that is the vertical line. Vertical line carry 1, 2, 3 box and the horizontal lines carry 1, 2, 3, 4 box. So vertical line multiplied by horizontal line, so 4 multiplied by 3, so that is the 12 square unit. The total box is 12 square unit and then count that box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 12 is subtracted by 6. The answer is 6. That empty boxes contain the 6 box. Okay. So I found that 6 box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is filled in the pencils colors. Okay. Now I hope understand that questions. That is questions number 6. That is our last questions in that chapters. Divide the figures given alongside into the 4 parts in such a way that the area and the shapes of each part is same. Color the parts with a different color. So see. Divide a figure given alongside into the 4 parts. That figures is divided into 4 parts. The total, first of all, count the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The total box is 12. So the total box is 12. The 12 box is divided into 4 parts. So the 12 is divided by 4. 12 is divided by 4. So 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s is 12. So 4 3s are 12. 12 is subtracted by 12. The answer is 3. So then the three shapes, then these shapes, the three answer is 3. So in this way the three box colors and divide the another shapes likewise. Okay. So here take that shapes, here these shapes, that shapes and that shapes. Okay. Allah Hafiz. I hope you understand that questions. Okay, Allah.